This meditation is to connect with our angels and dragons. As you close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, hands in receiving position. That means both the palms facing the sky. And in your mind, you say that I'm ready to receive an introduction to Siddhi's dragons, dragon spirit, and ready to build a stronger connect with my guardian angels. Take few deep breaths. Place your feet on the floor. And start relaxing. Relax your legs, your lower body, and relax your upper body. As I invoke the presence of Archangel Metatron, the cosmic dragon, and my personal dragon spirit Ryomon. The cosmic dragon is a black colored dragon with a lot of compassion and a smiling face. Ryomon is a very childlike dragon who is purple colored with hues and patches of brilliant blue and green all over him. And Archangel Metatron is coming to you today with his vibrant purple and violet energies. And you invoke the presence of your guardian angels. Call them over and tell in your mind, dear guardian angels, I need to build a better connect with you. And in your mind, tell all of them to do away with all kind of blocks from all your chakras in your aura. Let them shower upon their energies. The dragons might circle you, but the energies will definitely be swirling all around you. While Archangel Metatron, with his gentle and powerful energies, will start cleansing all your blocks so you can create a better connect with all your guardian angels. Allow your guardian angels to come and stand in front of you, smiling at you. If there's any dragon spirit ready to work for you and with you, allow them to come in front of you. And then take a few deep breaths, soaking in this energy. through your breaths. This energy enters your skin, goes inside, and gets absorbed right till your bones. Their energy is constantly cleaning all your chakras from your crown to your agya, from your agya to your throat to your heart, your solar plexus, your sacral, your root, your knees, and your feet. And now they are creating a bubble like shield all around you. And when the shield is created, your guardian angels are slowly walking up to you, smiling at you. If you need their help regarding anything in your life, it is the right time to go ahead and ask. Ask them to give you a message and see what is it that they need to tell you. Observe every word they are telling you. And then ask your guardian angels to be around you, keep in touch with you constantly every day of your life. If they've given you an information, thank them. And if you've not received any information, completely all right. Thank them even then. Slowly it's time to leave. First of all, thank all the dragon spirits who came and helped you with this. Now, thank Archangel Metatron for his graceful presence, for cleansing you, healing you, and connecting you with your angels. So, thank each one of them Thank your guardian angels as well. And slowly come back. Let them disappear and slowly come back to the present moment. Slowly open your eyes. And drink some water.
मैम
हाँ जी।
मुझे एक शुरू में ग्रीन कलर की लाइट मतलब डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वाइट पैचेस दिखे, देन जैसे जैसे वो डीप पे गया तो उसमें कहीं पे डार्क ब्लू, कहीं पे लाइट ब्लू, इस तरह के सर्कल में रोटेट होते हुए लगा। एंड बीच में कहीं से एक वाइट रोशनी का इंट्यूशन हो रहा था बीच बीच में।
आपको कहीं पे हैवी नहीं लग रहा, राइट?
मुझे लेफ्ट साइड में हैवीपन लग रहा है, लेफ्ट आईज में ज्यादा इफेक्ट लग रहा है।
ओके, सो
अब वाइब्रेशन के लिए, हाँ जी मैम, वाइब्रेशन भी लेफ्ट साइड में ज्यादा स्टार्ट हुई थी।
सो इट इज अ ब्यूटीफुल, आपको आप हेवीनेस है लेकिन आप काम हो या आप एंजाइटी फील कर रहे हो?
नहीं, मैं काम हूँ।
ओके, लवली। आप सिर्फ 2 मिनट फ्लोर पे बैठ जाए ना, जस्ट सिट ऑन द फ्लोर फॉर 2 मिनट्स।
ओके मैम।
फिर भी आपको कंटिन्यू होगा तो आप प्लीज मुझे बताइएगा।
ठीक है मैम।
हेलो।
हाँ जी, बोलिए।
हाँ, मैं वंदना हियर। एक्चुअली व्हेन आई एम फीलिंग लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी फ्लोइंग in my body, especially my head region is feeling a lot of cool, and when in the end on my right hand I got a feeling something is swirling around. I don't know what it was, but generally it is on a lot of energy flow I could find. I couldn't see
Everyone
anything.
who realized a lot of energy flow, that was dragon energies.